Tesla Optimus, the future of humanoid robotics. Imagine a world where robots are not just machines, but companions and helpers in our daily lives. Enter Tesla Optimus, Elon Musk's groundbreaking humanoid AI robot, set to revolutionize how we interact with technology. This remarkable innovation is more than just a futuristic concept. It's a glimpse into the possibilities that lie ahead. What makes Optimus stand out? Design and functionality. Optimus is designed to blend seamlessly into human environments. Standing 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing around 125 pounds. It's built to resemble the average human. But it's not just about looks. This robot boasts advanced dexterity, capable of performing complex tasks with its articulated hands. Smart technology. At the heart of Optimus is Tesla's cutting-edge AI utilizing sophisticated neural networks. It can learn and adapt, processing information from its environment in real time. With computer vision technology, Optimus can recognize objects and navigate through various spaces, making it a highly capable assistant. Versatile applications. 1. In industry. Optimus is poised to transform manufacturing by assisting with assembly lines, quality control, and logistics. Imagine a factory floor where robots collaborate with humans to boost productivity and safety. 2. At home. From household chores to providing care for the elderly, Optimus could change the landscape of domestic life. Picture a world where your robot helps with cooking, cleaning, and even companionship. 3. In healthcare. In hospitals and care facilities, Optimus could support healthcare workers, managing routine tasks and monitoring patients, allowing professionals to focus on critical care. 4. Logistics and delivery. Its ability to navigate complex environments opens up possibilities for Optimus in warehouses and delivery services, efficiently managing inventory and ensuring timely deliveries. What lies ahead? The introduction of humanoid robots like Optimus is set to redefine the workforce. While there are concerns about job displacement, new roles will emerge in robot maintenance, programming, and oversight. This shift brings ethical considerations into play, prompting important discussions about human-robot interaction and the implications of relying on machines. As Tesla continues to develop Optimus, the excitement surrounding its potential applications is palpable. It's a leap towards a future where robots enhance our daily lives, making them more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for joining us. If you're as fascinated by the future of robotics as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on the latest innovations. Together, let's explore how technology is shaping our world. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you.